ADA, we start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And we have been looking for buy since the price was within here. Then after we get this drop, we give an update. And I want to see what's the next. We get the reversal, as I mentioned, even my last analysis, I mentioned I'm not looking for buy at that point. And as we can see, there was no opportunity for buy. Now I want to see what's the next. There is no much changes, but we try to give an update. And if we move to weekly chart, we are expecting to see the correction based on lower time frame, deeper correction, because the breakout of this zone is really important for us. And if the price will broke with this correction, then we can look for 92 following by 1.35, and the breakout of the 92 is very important for us, mostly this zone to look for continuation. Now the question is, can we expect this one? Tented correction and the next drop, that means can we expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we see the continuation? All right, that's why the breakout of this correction is very important for us, and we should know that we're buying at the top of this correction if we want to look for buy. That's why we needed to be aware about the bigger picture if the price doesn't move in our direction, because we don't want to buy at the top of the correction. Anyway, we move to lower time frame and we move to daily chart. And based on daily chart, we're looking at this correction, how complex and how deep this correction can go. Okay, with the breakout of the lowest price of this one, which is somewhere around 52 cents. Then if the price could break, then we can look for 50. All right, then if that happened, then we give you update how deep it can go. But at this point, if the price could break the lowest price of this one, which is a 52, we can look for 50 as well. Okay, anyway, we want to see whether we can look for buy based on a daily chart. We don't see any trade setup. That doesn't mean we have to look for trade based on lower time frame. But if we get any opportunity for buy with the breakout of the daily correction, at the short term, we can look for 75 following by 82. And if I move to 1 hour chart, all right, as we can see, the price tagged the previous stop. I mean, sorry, it broke the previous stop. And now the question is, this is the only correction, and this is the one is going to continue, or we can expect the price to retest the previous low, because in that case, this one tend to expanding flat. Okay, that's why I mentioned we don't like this option, because if this one tend to expanding flat, even we can expect the price break the drop to lower than a 50 cent. Anyway, we don't need to care about that. Now the only question is how to look for trade for buy from here. Now it become a bit this one. If you want to look for this one, how about if this one tend to internal correction following by next drop? Or can we consider this one as a correction for continuation? For sure, if this for sure, if we want to look for buy within this range based on lower time frame will be short term. Then if there is a breakout, we can keep the trade with expectation for continuation. If not, then we consider this one as an internal correction relative to what we have here, and we can look for the next drop. Then any reversal from there, we will take it. Just to make it very, very simple. Any opportunity for buy within this one, we can take it, but we consider we are trading within the smaller correction. Anyway, based on 4 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup here. Can we, if this one tend to flag based on 15 minute, or I don't think so we can get the flag based on 1 hour, maybe based on 15 or 5 minute, then we can look for buy within this range as a short term. Then the stop loss either here or here. Then it's not a really good trade setup, because in terms of the risk and reward, it's just a short term trade. But the best things is if this one give us a next drop, any opportunity for buy from there will be the best. And even maybe we can look for the divergence. Anyway, we don't see any trade setup. We have to wait. But in the bigger picture, we're looking for continuation. And if you move to daily chart, the breakout of the 75 following by 82 cent, the breakout of this zone is really important for us. And based on higher time frame, we're looking to see the breakout of the 94 cent. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.